Come on, laugh. Laugh, come on.
Is
Come
your,
on.
is your voice getting deeper?
No, but I can go as deep as you want.
I almost didn't recognize you. Your voice is getting deeper, dude.
Wait, what kind of Alex?
Shut up.
Oh my god, you're such a bully, stop it!
Okay, were you trying to mock me because my mic is close to my face?
I wasn't mocking you. I can't even hear you. Chow, can I ask a question?
You just did.
Can I ask 2 questions?
Oh my god!
Can I ask several questions?
What is it?
Can I ask some questions?
Yes, you are.
Here, Chow, if I give you 100 points, will you cry?
Will I cry?
Yeah, you haven't actually drew anyone crying, I've noticed. None of your pictures involve someone crying. Far away doesn't count.
I was about to say that.
Follow me, set me free. Just you and me will escape from the city. Hug 10 other people, at least. 3. Dash. You should hug them in public.
Why are you reading it like a zombie?
Yeah, yeah.